Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up some adaptive devices at your own home totally free of cost. Hey guys, this is Anand Korean, I'm an occupational therapist, and today we'll see how you can set up some easy adaptive devices at your own home for eating so that you can do it without needing help or assistance from someone else. Now, there are many adaptive devices available in the market for eating and drinking, and one of the most popular one is called the billiard spoon. Now, a built-up spoon comes with a larger and cylindrical handle so that it is easy for people with lower grip strength to hold it and manipulate. And so, to make one of these at our own homes, what I did is you can find one of these 250 ml small bottles lying around in your home, and you can take a regular spoon. What you can do is you can just insert the handle of this regular spoon into the sleeve of the bottle. So you can see this looks something like a built-up spoon with a large and cylindrical handle. And you can use this like how you use a built-up spoon, right? You can easily hold this and manipulate it. It is much easier to eat using this setup. And another popular adaptive device is something called a weighted spoon or a weighted utensil, right? So with weighted spoons, it becomes easier for people suffering from conditions like Parkinson's disease to control the spoon or the utensil because now it has more weight. So if you want to try to make that at your own home, what you can do is you can make a similar build like this, and then you can just remove the cap, fill it with some water. If you need more weight, you can also use sand and small pebbles and stuff like that. So with that, you have transformed this built-up spoon into a weighted utensil. So those are two adaptive devices for eating. Now we will see a hack to use while drinking from a glass of water. So while using a glass like this, the chances of this slipping and falling from a person with lower grip strength or someone who has some hand injury is high. So here, what you can do is you can simply take two rubber bands and you can insert it like layers of two over the area of the glass. So just like that, we put some rubber bands over the glass, and what we expect is that this will provide a little bit of extra grip for the person to hold the glass. If the grip strength is severely weakened, you can add in more rubber bands or more layers. And another thing that you can also try doing is you can just put it all together. You can put it all together at the top of the glass so that the person can get a grip like this, right? And for some people this would be helpful. So there you go guys, you saw how to make some adaptive devices at your own home if you don't want to spend money on actually buying one. These are things that you can easily set up at your own home. And these ideas or these things may seem very simple for some people, but for the people who are actually suffering, this is a great help. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you know someone who needs an adaptive device, you can send it to them or you can make one for them. I hope you liked this video. If you did, consider subscribing to this channel. Let's see you in the next video.